to a counselor's journey Q&A. So today's question is, hey Juan, I've had a practice for almost 3 months. I used to work in a community agency. I don't have a website or anything like that. Do I need to do that? I think nowadays the answer is yes. Maybe a while back it was no. And there's savvy ways to do it. Like, you could take a step-by-step process before you get to like a huge website. But overall, a big YES. And here's the reason before we talk about platforms or any of those things. I want to give you just very simple answers to why yes. If someone's searching for you, it's important for that person to be able to have information in front of them that allows them to make a decision. If someone's searching for you and they do not have information, then they may struggle to make a decision. So what you're doing is you're trying to support that person in the decision-making process. No different than maybe if you want to get your oil changed in your car and you look up a couple of places and you read reviews. Those support, right? Those support the process of decision-making. Shoes, right? You want a new pair of shoes. You may look up different reviews. Or you want a new gadget, like the new iPhone's coming out. And then you read up on it. Whatever it may be, most of us, we go into the process of reading, analyzing, and reviewing before we engage into that concrete decision. That helps us to make a decision during the decision-making process. So that's why it's important to have a website, somewhere that the person can land and make that decision. And then, of course, there are so many other nuggets in there. I want you to dive into A Counselor's Journey YouTube channel. Check out the podcast, The Counselor's Journey podcast. There is just a lot of really good gold nuggets as far as why a website is important, how to set up your website, SEO, search engine optimization, all of those beautiful components to allow you to move forward in your journey of private practice. Take care. Thank you for asking this amazing question.